This is one of the weirdest animals I've ever seen in my life. I didn't even know they existed until recently. But these creatures are so bizarre that it makes you wonder how they evolved to look this way. Here are 5 reasons why emus are faster than they look. The first reason emus can run so fast is because of their legs. Their long, slender legs allow them to cover more ground with each stride, which helps them reach top speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. But their legs aren't just for running. They also use their legs to kick and box each other during mating season. And don't underestimate the power of an emu kick. These birds can send their opponents flying through the air with a single blow. So not only are emus fast on their feet, but they're also fierce fighters. Just don't get on their bad side. Their legs are also very powerful and strong. Each leg has 4 toes, but only 3 of them touch the ground when running. The 4th toe is raised and acts like a spring, storing energy that's released with each stride, helping them move faster and conserve energy, kind of like a kangaroo. It's believed that emus were actually flightless ancestors of kangaroos. But over time, their bodies changed to become better suited for running on the ground. In fact, they have more in common with these animals than you might think. Both emus and kangaroos have long, muscular tails that help balance their bodies while running. And both animals are known for being incredibly fast and agile on 2 legs. So if you ever see an emu hopping down the road, don't be surprised. They may be related to kangaroos after all. The second reason emus are faster than they look is because of their wings. Even though they can't fly, emus still have wings and they use them to help them run faster. When emus run, they flap their wings to increase their speed and balance. This may seem strange, but it works. By flapping their wings, emus can generate lift, which reduces the amount of energy they need to use their legs to move forward. Plus, it gives them an extra boost of speed when they need it. And don't forget about the power of distraction. When emus flap their wings, it makes them look bigger and more intimidating to potential predators. So not only does it help them run faster, but it also helps keep them safe from harm. After all, no one wants to mess with a giant bird that looks like it could take flight at any moment. Now, imagine seeing an ostrich or a giant eagle trying to run. It would definitely be a sight to behold. The third reason emus are faster than they look is because of their body shape. Their tall, thin bodies make them look like they'd be slow and clumsy. But it's actually the opposite. Their height allows them to see predators coming from far away, and their narrow bodies help them weave in and out of obstacles while running. It's almost like they're built for speed, and their large eyes are another advantage. Not only do they help emus see predators from far away, but they also give emus a wide field of view. This allows emus to keep an eye on their surroundings while they re-running, and makes it harder for predators to sneak up on them. It's like having security cameras mounted on your head. And their heads aren't just big, they're also light. This means that emus don't have to waste energy carrying around heavy heads while they're running. Instead, they can use their energy to move faster and stay on the move for longer periods of time. The 4th reason emus are faster than they look is because of their feet. If you look at an emu's foot, it looks like something straight out of a horror movie. But these strange feet are actually perfectly adapted for running. First off, their toes are flat and flexible, which gives them great traction on uneven terrain. This means they can run on sand, mud, or grass without slipping and sliding all over the place. Plus, their feet are webbed, which helps them grip the ground and push off with more force. It's kind of like wearing a pair of cleats designed specifically for maximum grip and traction. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about Emus's feet is their strength. Each foot has 4 toes, but only 3 of them touch the ground when running. The 4th toe is raised and acts like a spring, storing energy that's released with each stride, helping them move faster and conserve energy. This means they can keep running for long periods of time without getting exhausted. No wonder emus are one of the fastest birds in the world. But there's still one more reason why these strange-looking creatures are so speedy. The 5th reason emus are faster than they look is because of their brains. Wait, what? How can a bird's brain help it run faster? Well, it turns out that the size of an animal's brain is related to how fast it can run. A larger brain means the animal can process information faster and make quicker decisions. And emus have relatively large brains compared to their body size. But it's not just the size of their brains that makes emus so speedy. The way their brains are connected to their bodies is also important. The brain and the spinal cord are connected by the brainstem, which carries messages between them. The faster the messages travel along the brainstem, the faster the animal can react and move. And emus have a special adaptation that speeds up the transmission of these messages. They have specialized neurons called A-type fibers, which are responsible for transmitting sensory information like touch, temperature, and pain. These neurons are insulated with a fatty substance called myelin, which allows them to fire faster than unmyelinated neurons. This means that emus can react to changes in their environment faster than other birds, giving them a split-second advantage when running from predators or catching prey. So next time you see an emu running, remember that its brain is working overtime to keep it safe. From start to finish, the emu's unique adaptations allow it to be a true speed demon of the bird world. Its long, powerful legs help it cover more ground with each stride. Its wings reduce the amount of energy it needs to use its legs and serve as a warning to predators. Its tall, thin body makes it agile and light on its feet, while its large, light head reduces the energy required to move it. Its specially adapted feet give it great traction and grip on uneven terrain. And its relatively large brain and myelinated neurons allow it to process information quickly and react faster than other birds. It's amazing to think that emus can run so fast given how strange and clumsy they look. But their unique adaptations show that looks can be deceiving, and that emus are truly the underdogs of the animal kingdom.